few years back on another YouTube channel I had about doing some traveling around Australia, I had my original crock pot pulled pork recipe. It's really a good one, and it incorporates my family's barbecue sauce. So what I did, I moved it from that channel over to here. I hope you enjoy it. It's a nice, quick, simple video.
Not many ingredients. Of course, there is pork, and the collar or the butt is the best part of the pork to use, but you can use any part of the shoulder. In fact, just about any part of the pig will work for you. Alright, pat the pork dry and cover with your favorite oil. Just cover it lightly, you're just using it to hold on the rub. The onions keep the meat raised off the bottom of the pot, plus add some flavor. The chicken stock helps level the temperature and adds moisture. Oh man, I'm turning off the camera and getting a bread roll and a napkin. Y'all come back, but come back later. I try posting about foods that taste good, are easy to make, and give good value. Most of them can be frozen, so you can prepare extra for future meals. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment section below. If you like my videos, please click like and subscribe to them. Thank you.